Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Today we have a lot to do, and it's actually some really fun things planned today as well. So we are gonna start the day by doing some homemaking stuff first. Highest on the list being laundry and baking sourdough bread. And then this afternoon, we wanna go thrifting. So there's actually a new thrift store that just opened not far from our house, and I'm so excited to go check it out. So we wanna go there this afternoon. And then it's real close to a Goodwill as well. So I'm gonna swing in there, see if we can find some really good deals, and then I'll show you guys what I got later towards the end of the video in a haul. So if you're a fellow thrift lover, let me know in the comments below what is something that you have scored recently. I would love hearing these from you guys, and goodness, you guys, some of you have found crazy good deals. Every time I ask you to like comment your scores recently, like, wow. Y'all are talented and such good thrifters. Anyways, it'll be fun to have like some great virtual thrift shopping day. Wouldn't that be fun? I don't know how that would quite work, but we should think about it. Anyways, speaking of thrifting, today's video is in collaboration with my friend Hoffman. Guys, she has such an eye for finding good thrifting deals and does a lot of thrift hauls, and she just recently moved, which you guys know that we moved into this old 1700s farmhouse almost 2 years ago now. We're kind of in the same shoes now. She's also doing some like room makeovers, like decorating style videos, so super fun. After you're done watching this video, make sure to head over there and tell her I sent you. I think you're gonna be so inspired and love her channel. Okay, now it's time to get our hands in the dough. This is my outfit of the day today. It's just this super wow, hello lighting. Where might you be? Oh, pardon the mess. I need to finish cleaning up my room apparently. But definitely my go-to this summer has been like linen or 100% cotton dresses. Literally nothing more comfortable on hot summer days. So that's what I'm wearing today. This is both actually from Shein last year. So I had Shein reach out like, I don't know, a week or two ago wanting to do a collaboration, and I turned it down because yes, I wear some of their clothes, but to be honest, it is not great quality. Like these buttons keep popping off. So anyway, sometimes I still get some things from there if it's more of a trendy piece or a style I don't know if I'll wear or things like that. But it is super light and breathable for summer. So that is the outfit of the day. Here I did some like rolls, and then this one is kind of the traditional sourdough loaf, and this one is like a sandwich loaf. sourdough rolls. They are right here. And so I think what we're gonna do for lunch is just, I've made some sloppy joe meat mixture, so we're just gonna put that on top of the sourdough rolls and then maybe do a salad and call it good.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue, but here he comes to take me too.
Okay, that was less than impressive, I will say. We walked around in 2 stores. I had great hopes, but we did not get much. Also, I am on my other camera, so I hope it doesn't sound and look too different. But I'm gonna just quickly whip through what we got. So first up is these 2 just packs of markers. I feel like when you have kids who love crafts, you just go through markers so quickly. And so I'm excited for that. And I believe they are washable, I hope. Pretty sure they are. And then is this, it's actually a riser, but I'm gonna just have Josh cut these off. He said that would be super easy, and then use it just as a cutting board. You can never have too many wooden cutting boards around. This was $2.49. And then I found this pack of Hearth and Hand. It's just these little stoneware mini bowls that I thought were so cute. They are like this. Isn't that so beautiful? I love it. So it looks like it's brand new, and there is 4 of them, like so. And then I got, oh, and Kyra got an alarm clock that she already has up in her room. It was just a wooden, cute little alarm clock that she needed. And then I got 2 of these kind of like canisters that I want to put in the motorhome. They were $2.49 each, and it's just this, it almost looks black on the camera, but it's actually like a really dark green. Oh, there you can kind of see the color. Really dark green with this kind of wooden lid. And I thought these would be nice to keep in the motorhome in the kitchen. The bedroom duvet is this color, so I thought it would be nice to kind of also bring this color into like the kitchen area. So that is all I got. But speaking of the motorhome, I do need to go out there and make the bed. We actually have our first like Airbnb, or what's it called when it's in a motorhome? I forget. But guests coming tonight. That's so exciting, but their first night is tonight and I have not yet made the bed. So I better head out there now, and then pretty soon, probably in about 20 minutes, they'll be in from the barn and we can go and get supper. So it should be really fun. Okay, I think we are basically done in here now. So basically what we did is just a couple touches to say welcome here. So first up is this bouquet of hydrangeas that I went ahead and picked from on the farm here. There's few things that say welcome here, we've been waiting for you, then a bouquet of fresh flowers. So I added those. Also put these canisters here that I thrifted today. And then the wife is a tea drinker, so we put this little hot water kettle, and then back here is just some different teas for her to enjoy. And then back here in the master bedroom, basically just made the bed with some freshly washed sheets and duvet cover and stuff. This duvet, you guys, I highly recommend. I really want one on our bed. The cover is just from Amazon, but it's so comfortable. It's linen, and like I said before, I'm just like all about linen this summer. It feels so good on your skin. So anyway, I can link it down below. I forget how much it was, $50, $60 maybe, but really good quality, and yeah, comes in a bunch of colors. So I was excited for that. And then in the fridge here, I just added a pitcher of raw milk and then just a bowl of some fruits in case they get hungry at night. They have family right next door, so I don't think they'll be eating many meals here, but just like to have a little something in case they get hungry. The bathroom here just has some fresh and fluffy bath towels for them. So I think that's all we need to do in here for now, but my barn crew is getting hungry, so we need to get back to the house, get everybody bathed, and probably in jammies since it is getting late. I think we'll just do like takeout. Time to start winding down. Oh, it's so beautiful. Golden hour on the farm has got to be one of my favorite things, and I wish my good camera did not have a dead battery, because I have it right here, but it has a dead battery. So you see the fields back there? Whew, can't look though, sun's too bright. I didn't get my walk in earlier today, so taking care of that now with the heifers out here. It's an absolutely beautiful evening out tonight, but I'm gonna close out the video. So thanks so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed coming along. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to go check out Krista's video as well. All right, see you guys.
I'll follow only golden, golden things.